Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information about how you can get the Google certification of which are free of cost. Just you have to complete all the tasks, and there is a simple eligibility that you that is your degree, your age, your profession doesn't matter for the certification. Just you have to apply for the certification and complete the task and get your certification from them. And this is all about I will be discussing in detail, and watch the video till end so that you get each and every crystal clear information about this program. And if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing information from us. And we have participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber in just 2 months on YouTube. So just provide love and support to our channel, so by just subscribing it. Just now let's get started with the video. I will be providing you the link formation. So here this type of certificate you will get after after your completion of this course. Like if someone have interest in the Google data analytics, first of all, Google is not a small company, it is a big MNC. So the certification of Google in your resume will definitely have a great impact on the HR. So it will add a important shining effect to your resume. So please get enrolled in it. And so here you can just it is posted on the 12th of June 2024. So this is how we grab information from different websites for you and only you, so that you can upskill your knowledge. Now here Google career certification, so it is not only a 10 to 20 hour of the course, it is about full career certificate. So if you get this certificate, you can easily crack any job or internship for you. And you should have your eyes on the for everyone. That means your degree, your other background doesn't matter for this. Just apply now. Now we will be discussing this in detail. So let's get started. Now about the Google, what can I say about the Google? It is a big MNC, provide multiple professional jobs, internships. So it is a comparative with the Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft. So Google is you can read this from this. Now for the eligibility, this is the main and shocking point of this program. For the eligibility, there is no experience required. You may or may not have the prior knowledge of these courses, or no degree requirement. Just you have to click on apply now button and you can enroll in this. So this is about the eligibility. I think you a clear idea about the eligibility. No degree, no experience, no background required for this. Just click on apply now. Now which are the professional career certification you are getting in this? So first you get a certification for the IT. All the IT troubleshooting, that error and debugging, you will get into this. And for second is the data analytics, and all these certification are booming in the our market nowadays. So it is worth it to spend time on this. And second is data analytics, in which you will be teach about the Python, machine learning, how your data learn to the machine. Now now this is third one is digital marketing and e-commerce. Everyone wanted to learn the digital marketing and e-commerce from for this dynamic world. So just click for that. Now project management, it is you can say it is easy, but it is valuable in the market. All the project is determined before uh, after the plan. So for the planning you have to get this project management certification, and this is this is our fifth course, that is UX UI design. It will help you in upskilling how to create the different user interface. And the now sixth is cyber security. The cyber security become important aspect for the different websites. So it by enrolling in the cyber security you will get know to how to check for security risk, and how your sensitive information can be protected. So this is about the different, there are 16 from where you can enroll in it. Now benefit of the Google Career Certification Program are, now first of all it is free of cost, and all the certification on our channel is mostly are free of cost. So please subscribe to our channel for so that we get motivated, so that we provide you the certification free of courses, and accessible. You can from any corner of the globe you can access these courses. Flexible learning, whenever you wanna to learn these you can go and explore it out. And in industry recognize, again I previously I have said that Google is not a small company, it is a big MNC. And its name in your resume will definitely grab a internship or job for you. So it is an industry. And career support, again at the starting I have said that it is a career based certification, so you can check it out. And if you get the name of the Google in your resume, you will be stand out from the crowd. So this is about the award. Now if you check it out for the award, just click here and you will go to the Google Docs. Here you get these three link of about the courses. Let me search it out for the user experience UX design. Just click on it and you will be navigated to this. So this is all about the Google user experience UX design certification. Now in this you all the detail about this program are given to this. This is not a any kind of scam or anything. Just this is open to all. You can go and apply for there. You can see different important, not the basic, it will be advanced level course. So just go and apply for that. And different definition, core concept, problem solving, and other aspect of the certification will be covered. You can go to this website. I will be providing you the link of these Google Docs, and you can check it out in the description box. Now moving ahead, how to apply. It is important to learn how to apply. Just most of you now it is important to know how, when, from where from how much time you have to apply for this. So from the 23rd of June 2024, and so it near about 10 to 11 days are left. So just go and apply now. Apply now. And this is how you get to know about our channel importance. That only there is about 1 to 2 hours about the declaration of this program, and we get this video for you. Now moving ahead, for the Google Career Certification Program link, just click on this link and you will be navigating this web page, and this is the official website of their link. Just Google Certification Cohort Scholarship Application. So it is a scholarship program. Just click on the next button, and from here you can fill your different information and go to the next and get enrolled in this and become a market ready programmer for the nowadays. Now you can check it out. I will be providing the link in the description. Go and check it out, and if you like this information, just like the video and share the video to your friend whosoever is looking for a top MNC certification for their career. And if you are willing to get more information about the job and internship certification, about different events, just subscribe to our channel, and I will be clearing all your doubts. So again, we will be completing 1K subscriber in just 2 months on YouTube. Just subscribe to our channel for getting us motivated for solving your doubts. This is all about the Google Career Certification program. You can check it out. This is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.